Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. The Supreme Court of India gave its verdict on triple talaq today. And now, the practice of a Muslim man divorcing his wife simply by saying talaq 3 times stands nullified. Islam does not allow triple talaq, and those advocating it are just revealing their limited knowledge. Many countries have banned this method, including the Muslim countries of Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, and even closer to home, the neighboring nations of Pakistan and Bangladesh. However, we need to understand the concept of triple talaq properly. Talaq is a right given to men by Islam to divorce his wife in case the marriage cannot be continued for some reason. In a similar way, khula is a right given to a Muslim woman to separate from her husband if she feels they cannot live together. The reasons, though, have to be valid in both the cases. There is one significant difference between both the methods. In women's case, Islam gives her the extra freedom and authority. That is, a woman can divorce her husband, which is a khula, with immediate effect. But in the case of talaq, once given, the husband has to wait for 3 months. This is where the concept of triple talaq comes into play and how it is being misused. The triple talaq does not mean saying or messaging talaq 3 times and ending the marriage. Rather, it means the person has to wait for a period of 3 months. Within this stipulated time, if there is change of mind or the concerned problem is resolved mutually, the marriage can be continued. For the second time, which is not bound to happen immediately, if they face a problem, talaq can be pronounced again with the same procedure. In the meantime, it is the responsibility of family members to try to reconcile them. The third time will be the final chance given to a Muslim. Things become totally tough for the husband now. After the third talaq, the marriage has really come to an end. Nowadays, there is a serious confusion, especially in India, among both the Muslim and non-Muslim people regarding the concept of triple talaq. Firstly, it can never be said thrice at one go. Saying talaq, talaq, talaq does not mean that the marriage is nullified. But because of some Muslim men who misunderstand this concept and divorce their wife in one go, rendering several Muslim women in the country helpless, the Supreme Court verdict today discarding triple talaq was probably the need of the hour. It is not the idea of triple talaq that is wrong, because a Muslim woman also has the right to divorce her husband by demanding a khula, but it is the practice in which the idea of triple talaq is being implemented which is wrong, and thus the Supreme Court verdict probably stands justified. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.